Welcome to another gastronomic adventure. Today we're embarking on a culinary journey to the Netherlands. Dutch cuisine is a delightful potpourri of flavors, a testament to its rich history and cultural diversity. From hearty stews to delectable sweets, the Netherlands offers a gastronomic experience that is sure to tantalize your taste buds. The food here tells a story, a delicious narrative of tradition and innovation. So buckle up, food lovers, as we delve into the top 5 foods you must try in the Netherlands. First on our list is the sweet and irresistible stroopwafel. Hailing from Gouda in the Netherlands, stroopwafels are a delightful concoction of crispy wafers glued together with a layer of sweet syrup. The buttery wafers and the caramel-like filling create a dessert that's both crunchy and gooey. It's no wonder that this Dutch treat has found its way into hearts and kitchens around the world. It's the perfect companion to a hot cup of coffee or tea. If you have a sweet tooth, stroopwafels are a must-try. Next up is a savory Dutch snack, bitterballen. Imagine bite-sized balls of creamy meat ragu, breaded and deep-fried to a crisp golden perfection. This is bitterballen, a beloved Dutch treat often served with a side of tangy mustard for dipping. Traditionally enjoyed in bars and at home, bitterballen is more than just a snack. It's an integral part of Dutch culture. Its rich, satisfying flavors make it the perfect accompaniment to a cold beer. For those who love a hearty snack, bitterballen is a flavor-packed delight. Our third stop takes us to a Dutch delicacy known as herring. This raw herring fish, typically served with pickles and onions, is celebrated for its freshness. Eaten traditionally, it's held by the tail and lowered into the mouth, a unique experience indeed. The taste is subtle yet distinct, a harmonious blend of the sea's brininess with a mild sweetness. It's a dish that truly encapsulates the Dutch's love for seafood. Herring is a true Dutch classic, offering a taste of the sea. Now let's explore the comforting world of stampot. A traditional Dutch dish, stampot is a hearty staple that has warmed the hearts of the Dutch for centuries. It's a simple yet satisfying dish, primarily consisting of mashed potatoes mixed with any variety of vegetables. The most common variations include boerenkool stampot with kale, hutspot with carrots and onions, and zirkel stampot with sauerkraut. But the beauty of stampot lies in its versatility. Like a blank canvas, it allows you to experiment, mix, and match to your heart's content. From traditional ingredients to modern twists, the possibilities are endless. Stampot is more than just a dish. It's a symbol of Dutch cuisine. It embodies the simplicity and wholesome nature of Dutch cooking. Whether served alongside a robust rookworst sausage or topped off with a hearty gravy, stampot is the ultimate comfort food that soothes the soul and satisfies the stomach. Stampot is the epitome of Dutch comfort food, perfect for those chilly evenings. Finally, we have poffertjes, the delightful Dutch pancakes. Imagine tiny, fluffy clouds of sweetness, and you've just about captured the essence of poffertjes. At their core, poffertjes are simple, made from basic ingredients like buckwheat flour, milk, eggs, yeast, and a pinch of salt. But it's the preparation that makes them so special. First, the batter is poured into a specially designed cast iron pan with small, shallow indentations. As the batter cooks, it puffs up into these cute mini pancakes that are golden brown on the outside and gorgeously fluffy on the inside. A generous dusting of powdered sugar and a pat of butter on top complete the dish, creating a taste that's sweet, but not overly so, with a hint of richness from the butter. The result? A fluffy, melt-in-your-mouth experience that's both comforting and indulgent. For a delightful breakfast or dessert, poffertjes are the way to go. And there you have it, the top 5 foods to try in the Netherlands. From the sweet stroopwafels to the savory bitterballen, the fresh herring, hearty stampot, and delightful poffertjes, there's a flavor for every palate. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more food adventures. Thanks for watching.